Hello, everyone. I'd like to welcome you to my podcast. Tonight, I'll be discussing 6 applications that will aid educators in engaging students and collaborating with colleagues. The first I'd like to mention would be the Big E, Edmodo, followed by the ever so famous Google Plus. Then we have their Google Drive, followed by Quick Office, iPractice Builder, and lastly, iMovie. We'll start with the biggie, Edmodo, and I'm going to tell you why Edmodo would be great for a classroom teacher. First, you can create a profile, post pictures, it's a creep, create an open pipeline of communication. That's very, very crucial when you have a class. Rapport building is very important. All right, like I said, you can do wall post, alerts. You can create an assignment right on Edmodo, a quiz. That's just to mention a few of the many tools that could be used to aid an educator in engaging students in a modern way by using the Edmodo app right on your mobile device. All right. Another notable feature or app that I have on my iPad is Google Plus. I think Google Plus can be utilized to assist virtual schools in keeping an open line of communication. This is important for a school because state requires weekly contacts with students. Creating a Google page and uses many tools as you see right on the screen will help us in fulfilling our state requirements. And that brings us right to Google Drive. As you can see there, you have ability to add a new document. And let me just click on that again here. New document, new spreadsheet, and then you can again share these with people you work with. I think that's very useful in accessing Google Docs right from your mobile device. You don't have to be your desktop or a laptop. You can just quickly make some quick changes right on that doc without even being at work on your mobile device. I think that can be very, very, very helpful when you're collaborating with your coworkers. And I'm going to go ahead and move to Quick Office. This application can aid an educator in utilizing Microsoft Office right on their Mac, iPad, or any other tablet you may have. However, it's not made by Microsoft Office, but it's almost the equivalent. If you want to utilize your mobile device for that reason, you can do that. You can create these documents and email them to yourself, and Microsoft Office will recognize Quick Office, and you'll be able to pull it up on your PC and print it. It's all going to be in the same format. That's a great thing about Quick Office. And that's going to bring me right up to one of my favorite apps of all time, iPractice Builder. This app is great for teachers and educators who also coach. As you can see on the screen, you have empty slots on the left, a lot of drills on the right. Probably have close to 120 drills and plays combined. You can go to Add Drill on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And what you can do is you can make up a drill. You have, well, I accidentally clicked on 2 3s on. Sorry about that. Add Drill. And then you name the title, the category of the drill, if it's offense or defense. It's all there. Ball handling, the purpose of the drill. And you can always reference it. You can also add a video that you've taken with your iPad. So if you ever need to remind yourself of what that play is, you can always save it. And then once you save enough, like I said, I have, again, many, many drills. You can start sliding them over and expanding it. So if I want to expand that, instead of the 5-minute slot there, the 10-minute slot, I can expand it for 20, 25 minutes. Keep on dragging these over. Oops. And I'm just going to make a practice plane right now. Show you how to make a practice plane on this app. It's that easy. It's kind of hard taping yourself in. I'm going to make that drill less time, 6 minutes. I'm going to move over more drills. I'm a very defensive-minded coach, so a lot of these are going to be a lot of defense. If I forget how to run that drill, I can always reference the video that's within the app. It keeps your basketball plans in order. You don't have to have a notebook. You have a lot of visuals that aid you and remind yourself every year what all these drills that you have. Again, if I forgot what that is, it's right there. All right, I'm gonna add some more drills. Go with some rebound. I always need some rebounding. And these are all the categories that you have. And a lot of that footage within those drills are ones that I took over my time with this application. And we'll end with cutthroat. It's a good transition drill. And you can see if I ever want to remind myself how this drills ran, if I forget for some reason, it's all here. Or if I want to show someone, it's all there. And then you can hit preview on the bottom. Where's it? Right there. And you have the printout right on your iPad. All you gotta do from here is email it to yourself, and then you can just print it from a printer. I don't have a printer set up on my iPad, so I email it to myself and print it at work. So delete that. And that brings us right to iMovie. iMovie can be great for an educator to have if they want to post any projects on YouTube, lectures on YouTube, any student project on YouTube, or any other website. So if you want to do that, just click on that plus, a new project, and in the upper left corner you will have videos that you recorded with your iPad. Just kind of click on them and drag them down, and from there you can edit them. You're going to have to go through and read some of those instructions, but it's not that hard to edit that. Once you get the video fully completed, you can just go to send to, and then send right to YouTube. One mistake that I made in the past is I hit large, and you'll wait like an hour for it to upload, and it won't upload. So I only found success by using medium. Another mistake that I have made in the past is clicked on private. Make sure you click public. That way Professor Mendoza or the students can access your YouTube video. And from there you just hit share. And it will, within 20 minutes, hopefully upload to that website. Hopefully some of you that are listening will buy some of these apps. Some of them cost money, some of them are free, and utilize them in your field of education. But either way, I just want to thank everybody for listening. This was a little longer than I expected it was going to be, but I hope everybody enjoyed the video and you find some use in my favorite apps. Thank you very much, and have a good night.